Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making chicken salad. Guys, this chicken salad recipe with grapes makes a great lunch and can be enjoyed wrapped up in a lettuce and served on a croissant. I'm gonna show you both ways, or you can even use pita bread wrap. This is the best chicken salad sandwiches out there. Not to mention, guys, they are so insanely easy to make that you can just whip them up in less than 15 minutes. So guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here I have pecans on a parchment lined baking sheet. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna go ahead and toast them for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure, guys, you shake the pan occasionally so the nuts brown evenly without burning. Now let's move on to work on the chicken. Here I have rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the skin. What I'm going to use here is only the breast, and that will be enough for the salad. Roughly chop the chicken breast and place them in a medium bowl. The chicken is done. We're gonna set aside, then move on and work on red grapes. I would like to cut them in half if they are small, and if they are larger, I like to cut them into fours. The red grapes gives a salad a juicy pop and sweetness. Place in the bowl. Now let's move on to chop the celery. The sliced celery, guys, gives this salad a nice crunch and balanced flavor. Add the celery to the bowl. Now we're gonna work on the scallions. Chop off the root end and thinly slice the scallions. I love the mild taste and the crunchy texture that the scallions bring to this salad. Add the chopped scallions to the bowl. Now let's move on to chop the toasted pecans. Here you get the nutty, crunchy, and depth of flavor from the nuts. Now it's time to mix everything together. Squeeze juice from half a lemon. Season with salt. We're gonna go in with Dijon mustard. Add mayo. I like the flavor of mayo for the dressing. Toss to evenly coat. Then we're gonna cover this with a plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours so that the flavors can marry. It's been 1 hour. Now it's time to assemble our sandwiches. I love to cut my croissant in half, but not cut them all the way through. Then I'm gonna place them on a parchment lined baking sheet and bake them for around 5 minutes at 425 degrees. If you want less flaky texture, then cover the croissant in foil. I have 2 ways that I like to serve this chicken salad with. First, I'm gonna fill the croissant with the chicken salad, and the other way, I like to place the chicken salad on top of a bed of lettuce, then just munch it. I can't wait to dig into this, guys. Time for taste test. The combination of sweet and savory takes it to another level. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and to comment down below. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys. Forget the past that hurt you the most. Don't be afraid to open the next page and to see what the future holds for you. Never ever do the same mistake you endured in your past. Once bitten, twice shy.